Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,583 minus 0.73% was Nifty 50 futures. 43,773 marginally positive was Nifty Bank futures. Let's see what the SGX Nifty is pointing to. Well, 60 points negative is SGX futures, 18,523 thereabouts is the expected open in the Indian markets. Let's see how it pans out during the day because there has been negative pressures globally. So looking at the charts, well, we are at the close to the support zone as of now. Well, 18,000 is the next major level and 17,800 on the lower side. Intermittent 18,200, 300 levels. On the higher side, 18,800, 19,000, 19,200. Also, there is a divergence evident on the RSI, and that's what we can see as of now. Nifty, some amount of shorts coming in on Friday. From the futures data as such. Looking at the OI picture from options 18,600, 18,700, you're seeing concentration of call OIs. And on the lower side, we are seeing primarily 18,400 and then 18,000 thereabouts. Looking at the Bank Nifty futures, well, expected to open marginally negative, considering Nifty is going to open negative. But then charts look better off than as compared to Nifty as such. So let's see, the technical levels would be 43,500 and 43,000. Resistance will be 44,000 and 44,500 thereabouts. Of course, you have an intermittent resistance around 44,300 also. Short covering visible on the charts on the futures OI end. So you have some amount of longs which have come in earlier on. Looking at the OI picture, 43,700 happens to be a level, and then 44,000. On the lower side, you have 43,500 and 43,000, two major levels. Looking at the top gainers and losers, Cummins India, Marico, Godrej, Consumer Products are the top gainers. HCL Tech, Intellect, Bsoft. Most of the IT counters are on the negative end, negative binge. IT contribution in the sectoral contribution was minus 84 points, thereabouts. The oil being minus 35 points, and marginal positive contribution coming in from PSU banks, pharma, and telecom. 12.95 points positive contribution from FMCG. Much of the remaining sectors were on the negative end. Looking at the built up from sectoral end, IT, power, and fertilizer. On the short side, oil also on the short side. You don't have any sectoral bias on the long side as such as of Friday. Well, one stock on the radar, SBI Cards. 800 happens to be major support. So there is a possibility of a negative bias there. 800, 779, 780 levels are the next major support. Resistance being 828, 845. So that's thereabouts of 830 and 845. Looking at the OI picture, we are seeing some amount of shorts in Manic. Looking at the options OI, 800 is a major support and 850 is the major resistance, as we can see from the OI picture. The other stock on the radar is DV's Labs, major support 3250 and 3215, resistance 3398 and 3439. Well, looks like sustained move below 3285 could pave the way for lower price action in this counter. DV's Labs. DV's Labs short side scenario coming in on the OI front also. Well, looking at the OI picture from options, 3,400 happens to be the resistance point. 3,300 is where you have the put OI also, and the next major is around 3,200. GNFC, BHEL, PNB, and Delta Corp securities in the ban list. Well, before summarizing, I would like to highlight to you that please consult your financial advisor before stepping into derivative trades, and also follow a strict stop loss as per your risk appetite to trade in derivatives. So these are the levels. Nifty, Bank Nifty, we have already discussed. None in the sectoral long built up. Sectoral short built up was IT, power, and fertilizer. Two stocks, SBI Card and DV's Labs. GNFC, BHEL, PNB, Delta Corp in the ban list. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.